Hello and welcome to RogersSupply.com. Today we'll be covering how to register an account. Registering an account on RogersSupply.com is important in order to access most of the features that we have on the site. So to begin registration, we'll go up here to the top corner under Register. We'll just click there. It'll bring us to registration. We'll go ahead and say we are new to Rogers Supply Company. Click Continue. We would like to open a commercial account with Rogers Supply Company. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and fill out this form here. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and skip ahead. That way I can fill out the form and save you guys the time. Be right back. Okay, and we're back. We're all filled out, and in order to proceed, we're going to go ahead and go to I accept. Feel free to sign up for the newsletter. We'll send you exclusive deals. It's very much worth having that box clicked. Go ahead and leave that there, and we'll go ahead and click I accept. And wait through the waiting screen here. And there we go. We are now all registered with RogersSupply.com. So from here, we can go ahead and go to the home screen or log in. For now, we're going to go ahead and log in. Now we're logged in. It should say, log out, my account. You go ahead and click on my account, and you'll see your information here. And that concludes how to register for RogersSupply.com. Thank you.